In this video, I'm going to show you how to block or allow pop-ups in Chrome on your iPhone. So let's get started. If you're tired of annoying pop-ups or need to allow them for specific sites, just follow these steps to easily block or allow pop-ups in Chrome on your iPhone. First, open the Chrome app on your iPhone. Now, tap the three horizontal lines on the bottom bar. Next, tap Settings. Scroll down and tap Content Settings. Here, you'll find an option called Block Pop-ups. Tap on it. Now, you can enable or disable pop-ups using the toggle button. When you make these changes, they will apply to all the websites you access using the Chrome browser. If you want to allow pop-ups for a specific site, then on the Chrome browser, go to a page where pop-ups are blocked. At the bottom, under Pop-ups Blocked, tap Always Show, and pop-ups will be enabled for that particular website. So, that's how you can block or allow pop-ups in Chrome on your iPhone. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.